Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim, your favorite yada yada. Alright, so I have a photo shoot set that I'm gonna be on tomorrow. It's actually a shoot that I've put together myself. Yay! First of many. But yeah, so I'm getting ready for that. Lots of everything going on right here, and I just figured, you know what, I'm gonna take y'all behind the scenes, kind of show you how I get myself ready for jobs. This job specifically though is a photo shoot, so I'll show you how I get together for that specifically. So first thing first, with my kit, I just always make sure it's packed according to whatever job I'm doing. So since this is a photo shoot, I've been doing lots of like photo shoots and like film work and stuff lately, so my kit is kind of already packed for that right now. So I'm pretty much just gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna show you exactly what's in here just because I do have a video up on my channel. If you want to see exactly what's in my kit and hear a good breakdown, then you can go ahead and just refer to that video. I will make sure I put it in the description box. But just a quick overview, I got always one clear gloss that never changes. Doesn't matter the job, I always at least have a clear gloss just in case, because when it comes down to gloss, that's really all you need. I have sunscreen, lots of skincare. This whole area here is prep. I always have this part, kind of stays the same too no matter the job. And then sometimes I put like lippies here, but for this job I won't, just because I have set bags made up already with everybody's lip color. Now if it was a job that I don't really know, like let's say it's a wedding day and I don't know what I'll be doing with the bridesmaids, I will have like some backup lip colors right here or something, but I don't need that because I know what I'm doing for tomorrow. So that's why I said this video is specifically for this set job. I have my liners here, eye stuff. I have lots of these. I will actually be restocking this whole area. I got most of them out from doing trials this whole week. I have to clean them and then I'll just restock right here with like my tweezers, my curler, all those kind of stuff. And then got all my face stuff right here, powders and stuff right here, blushes. I have, this is a very important thing. So the day before, I do lots and lots of like cleaning and repacking, so restocking. Guys, I'm so sorry, I just realized I got sidetracked and forgot to tell you guys what else is in this bag. So directly behind this purple my disposables, I actually have two of the Jacqueline highlighters. They're specific to two of the models that I was gonna have. I also have behind those are single lashes, because I was also gonna do single lashes on one of the models. And then in the back section behind that, I have some setting sprays, and then the section directly next to that, I have all my Danessa Myricks pigments and my brow palette with just a bunch of brow powders, and my lip palette with a bunch of different lip colors. Sorry I forgot to go over that, but basically that's what you missed. That's basically what today is. I just restocked this. This is my Pro Kit book with most of my disposables, and that's just basically what she looks like when she's nice and full. Yeah, I love it when it's packed up good, because I literally ran through this whole week. But yeah, so I just keep that right there. It's so easy for me when I get to job. I can just open it. It's like one of the first things I grab out. And then right here, I will have like my lashes and my more disposable stuff, sanitary stuff. So I have these little scoopers for like skincare and stuff. If I need to scoop any product out, either to give it to clients or just to put in a touch-up bag or just anything right quick, I got those there. And then I got wedges. Now what I do with these the day before is, hold on, Barbicide, hello, we clean everything. So I already wiped down my lash container and refilled it. I just cut up a whole bunch of lashes and just put in here. If you want a separate video on me really going over what kind of lashes I like, what I'm carrying in here, then I can do that. But this is her nice and full, you know. Oops. There we go. Yeah. So that's nice and full and clean. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab myself another wipe and just really wipe her off. With the Barbicide wipes, it only takes 2 minutes to dry, and then everything is nice and disinfected after that point. So I'm just gonna leave that there, toss this wipe of course, and then I'll just grab a new wipe when I need to wipe something else down. Same deal for my palettes. I'm only bringing 4 for this job specifically because again I know exactly what I'm doing. So I got my Makeup by Mario, this Violet Voss Olive You Forever, love it. Got my Natasha Denona Glam palette. As you can tell, you can see fingerprints all over it, so I'm gonna wipe all these down. And then this is my Zoeva Caramel Melange. I think that's how you say that. I'll just give you a quick look inside. All right, it's a bridal themed shoot, so it's still like mostly neutrals and bridal colors for this job. I'm just gonna spray everything down with my 70% alcohol. Leave it open to air dry. About 30 seconds will do for that, but just whenever it's dry, I'll just close them up and then I will pack them away. I have my set bags. These are gonna go in my set bag, which is completely separate, but I will still be bringing it with me. So I'll just mention those. And I have one made up for each talent, so you'll see I got their names on here. I'll do a separate video kind of like going over more in depth like my set bags, how I make them up, what's in them and all that good stuff. So that's that. I make sure I have everything labeled because that's very important. Like, get you a label maker. Anyways, but yeah, so I got that. Those are drying. These are about dry now, so I'll go ahead put these right in here. Boom. And then yeah, let's just start working on our set bag. Oh, I always get this finishes up all my disposable stuff that I need. So there we go, lots and lots and lots of cotton rounds. Now this bag is basically done. I'm sorry if you can hear Deontay, he's like loud. But yeah, so this is my little bin right here. I got lots of like basically all my restock stuff here. So extra cotton rounds, straws, just like Q-tips, sponges, like cotton balls, these little lip stuff. So yeah, got all these. I got these little hand thingies from Danessa Myricks. I love these. You just put it on the back of your hand and then you can work off of it like a palette. So I already stocked these back up. I always have a couple of these in here. So I have them actually back here. So I got these in here. So I have enough for all the ladies I will be working on. So the inside of this bag is good to go right now. I will also be taking my airbrush kit with me. So what I will be doing is also making sure that I charge everything that I need to charge. So right now I'm charging my fan because you know she's a staple, and then right after that I'm gonna charge my airbrush. I already wiped both of these down, so you know that's what we're gonna do there. Then I'm gonna need my mirror. Put her there for now. Okay, so now we're gonna pack my oh shit bag, my oh shit kit basically. Now if y'all watch my my kit video, then you would know about this bag. This is where everything goes in that is just like lifesavers. This is like the miracle bag for sure. So everything that you can think about that you could possibly need that's not even really necessarily like makeup related, you would put in here. So like I'm gonna have like straws, I have my poop bags for my trash can, I have mascara guards, I have extra of these, I have painkillers because you never know, little Tylenol won't hurt nobody. I'm going to make sure that I have my extension cord in here because you know, especially since I'm bringing my airbrush kit, you never know what the outlet situation is gonna look like. I don't even know why my kid's toy is in here. It's about to go in the trash. But yeah, so I'm gonna put those in there. I'm gonna put extra sponges. Extra sponges if just in case I need those. I'll put like my hand sanitizer, that's gonna go in there. These eyeshadows are gonna go in there. This is gonna go in there. I already said the extension cord. I think that's pretty much it for this bag here. And then separate from all that, I'm gonna make sure I get my brush belt together. It's not super empty right now, but I definitely use a lot of my foundation brushes, so I'm gonna stock those back up and just like, you know, just make sure she's nice and tight and full. So that's gonna get put together. All right, I don't usually pack brushes in, I'm sorry about Deontay. I don't pack brushes in my brush belt just because I usually have them all in my brush buddy anyways. And then this more so is just kind of like a working belt. So all the stuff that I use all the time and so on and so forth that I reach for, I like to keep them really close to me. So that's why I bring my brush thingy, because I set this down on the table and I work out of this as far as brushes to work out of. So I like to have clips here. Sometimes I have a whole bunch, but these get lost so easily, or clients forget to give them back to me, or I forget to take them, whichever. Got lash curler. I'm on the hunt for like the mini ones too, but this one's just from Tweezerman. I got a brow thingy. I usually don't groom brows, honestly, but I like to have it just in case. And then I have a lash guard. I have extras of these in my OSHA kit. I have my scissors. I have two spatulas in here, and my favorite tweezer. This one's from Ulta. I love it so much. I just love the shape of it. I don't know why it's not in focus, but I'm sure y'all get the gist. I just love the shape of it, and I keep all these like right here. And then I just fold this up like this, and then I put it in my OSHA kit. So just like this. And I did wipe this down with the Barbicide and everything. That's why it looks so nice and clean. Yes. Alright, so aside from the extension cord, this bag is all good to go. Alcohol, brush cleaner, sanitizer, sponges. I moved this out of my kit here instead. I got straws, my brush belt, and my palette, my mirror, all that good stuff is in this bag. Now I'm gonna get together my set bag. Okay, so this is my set bag. I got this off of Amazon. I love it so much. It's just like a little clear bag, and you can put it around your waist, or you can just like hold it like a handbag or whatever. You can carry it over your shoulder, however you want. I like to strap it and just tighten it around my waist a little bit, or have it hang over me like a crossbody. But I already have in here, you can see I have one of these poofs just for like powder touch up, or to quickly just remove shine. So I like to keep a couple of poofs in here, but for the job tomorrow, each of my talents will have their own set bag, and they all have their own poof in here that you know, that's just their poof. So I'm not gonna really worry about putting extra poofs right here, but if I didn't, that's what I would do. Or if it was like a film set where I have like extras and stuff like that, then I would have like extras in here just for the people that's not accounted for. Then I got blotting paper. Don't use these a lot. I have some more of those little hand palettes in here. I don't really use these a lot in my set bag either, because basically what this is after I've done with all the application, this is like, you know, like a day runner type situation. Thank you. That's this is what I walk around with throughout the day on set to like do touch-ups and stuff like that. So that's what I would have this here for. So now in here, I would definitely have all my set bags. So these will have in the lip color for all the ladies, their poof. This will have like their foundation and stuff. I have everybody's custom foundation already pre-made, so it'll be super easy for me to just, you know, apply. And then, you know, some have in more, because for example, she's gonna have a wing liner, so I just bought brand new ones from NYX because they're pretty cheap, so I can just give it to her, whichever one I use on her. And yeah, so these are gonna go in here, or I will attach them to the outside part of the bag so I can you know, just get to it real easy. And then I'll also have like a powder in here, so when I'm done working on the ladies, then the powder palette that I use, I'm gonna put it in here. If I had MAC blotting powder, I would keep it in here as well. So yeah, I just needed to press this open. I folded it up to put it inside my bag. But yeah, so that's just what I'm gonna do. I'll make a separate video about these again. But yeah, that's basically it for me getting ready for tomorrow. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe for more makeup artist related content. I do tutorials, lots of stuff. I also have a website that I will be posting like a beat camp eventually. So go ahead, run over there. It's a free membership, so just sign up, and then whenever I post those videos, you will have first access to them. So yeah, thank you so much. Until next time, bye.